Bring it back.
Welcome back to WPNN. My name is Lily.
And my name is Natasha.
Panthers, we hope you all had an amazing winter break and also happy 2025!
To start off the new year, we want to shout out some students, specifically students that have passed the industry certification exam.
The students that are listed on the stream have completed their certifications for certain programs. Some of these programs include Unity, REVAT, AutoCAD, and many more.
Congratulations to those students for passing these exams.
Students, Heritage will be hosting college planning sessions for all grades next week.
From January 21st through January 24th, these college planning sessions will be located in the Media Center during all lunches. Driver's education is now an elective course at Heritage. To enter this program, you must have a valid learner's permit and must be between the ages of 15 to 18.
So if any of you are interested in this course and meet the requirements, email Miss Tracy for further information.
From January 27th through the 31st, Literacy Week is happening at Heritage. With each of the days, we will be having a special theme and how they tie with your career interests.
Monday is kickoff day, Tuesday is reading marathon, Wednesday is feature you, Thursday is cultural career awareness, and Friday is celebration and reflection.
Along with Literacy Week, Literacy Night is also happening on January 28th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the auditorium. There will be food, college, career information, and fun.
There will also be a guest speaker and a book author at this event, so if you would like to attend, feel free to come.
Students with SAVAB is on February 13th in the auditorium from 8:15 to 11:45. To sign up, scan the QR code on the screen now.
The book drive is still happening. The National Honor Society will be at all lunches on Wednesdays and Fridays, so come donate some books to help out at local elementary schools.
Now for seniors, the LLD Scholars Scholarship and Career Fair will be on January 23rd at Rockledge High School from 4:30 to 7 p.m.
To attend, you must register online on LOD Scholars website. If you have to attend, you will also have your school transcript with ACT or SAT test scores.
For more information about this event, please contact Ms. Shamir or your counselor with any questions you may have.
The Brevard School Foundation is offering all seniors in Brevard County 60 different scholarships. These scholarships give seniors options to certain scholarships that will help them in the future. The deadline for these scholarship applications is March 9th. Scan the code on the screen for more information.
Seniors, Grab Batch tickets will be on sale on Tuesday, January 21st. The tickets will be on sale for 2 weeks only.
The cost of these tickets are $160 and you can only get them online. The link will be sent out to all seniors at the beginning of next week.
Also, Heritage will have the CLT on January 25th and February 20th. Contact the testing coordinators, Coach Gage, for more information.
For any seniors going to college or trade school, fill out the FASFA for free money. To start this process, both the student and the parent must create their own FSA ID, and it must be before you can start the FSAFA application.
For anyone who needs help with this process, here are some websites that could be of help.
Speaking of applications, for any of you who have not yet completed your Bright Futures application, visit the website above.
Any seniors looking for more scholarships, check out the 2024 to 2025 scholarship link on Heritage Guidance webpage, or you can even use the scholarship search engine as well.
Moving on to sports news. Today, our boys soccer team takes on George Jenkins High School. This event will start at 6 p.m. tonight.
Also, tonight our boys basketball play in the Cape Coast Conference at 7 p.m. Good luck to everyone playing tonight.
Also in sports news, on January 22nd, Heritage will go up against Titusville in an in-school basketball game. For those of you who got your tickets, the game will be played during 6th and 7th period.
Well, that's all the news for this week, Panthers. Thank you for watching, and remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue! Oh, we hit that. That be a tight.
No.
Oh. Tight. Oh, you're so bony.
No.